Today is the Q&A Tuesday and I'm going to be answering one of your questions. My name is Laura Bull, I'm the founder of e-commerce prospect and I'll be answering one of your questions. So Anna has written in, what does Amazon FBA mean? And that's a really good question. So Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. The reason for Amazon creating this program was for them to make it easier for third-party sellers to sell more products and to ensure that customers would get their products in time and have prime shipping. So when you go to the Amazon website as a customer, you will notice as you scroll down through different products that some will be sold by Amazon directly, but many products are actually sold by third-party sellers. There's a rough estimate of 60% of all products that are available are sold by third-party sellers. These are businesses, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs that have products they want to sell. Third-party sellers can use Amazon warehouses. Amazon will ship the order to the customer and they will take care of returns if there is a return. This is in a nutshell what Amazon FBA stands for. This has been very interesting for a lot of third-party sellers, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, business owners that want to sell their products on Amazon because they can benefit from having all the units in Amazon's warehouse. Means they don't have to be renting their own warehouse. They can have Amazon take care of shipping, packing, getting all the orders together and getting that to the customer. This has saved a lot of manpower and has made it possible for many really small business owners to get started with selling on Amazon, because all that really labor-intensive logistic part and oftentimes with a very high overhead cost has been taken away through this Fulfillment by Amazon program. So Amazon basically found a way to make it easier for third-party sellers to offer their products and at the same time to make it a better buying experience for their buyers, because those products were delivered with prime shipping in a really fast manner, returns were very easy, and customer care was all taken care of by Amazon directly. So yeah, this is in a nutshell Amazon FBA. It is a program that you can use if you do want to be selling products online. You might wonder, are there any costs involved and what does it take to get started? If you are accepted as an Amazon seller, when you set up an account, you are eligible to use Amazon FBA. You have the storage fee, and then as a second cost factor, you do have the shipping cost. This is going to be calculated depending on the size of your product and whatever package they then need to be using. Compared to a lot of other shipping options, this is however quite reasonably priced, which makes it a no-brainer for a lot of different business owners. Of Amazon FBA, many business owners around the world have been able to be selling in big marketplaces like in the US, in the UK, and Germany, even though they live somewhere else in the world. Because when you use the Amazon FBA program, you are location independent. You can take a holiday and still have your orders fulfilled. You don't need to hire any staff to get your orders fulfilled. You don't need to rent a warehousing place. You don't need to be running to the post office every day to fulfill your orders. And you don't need to be on your laptop 24/7 to check in for orders. So it has made it much easier for people that got started in e-commerce to really have a smoother journey through it. If you want to be learning more about Amazon FBA or other e-commerce topics, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye!